The biggest difference between adult court and juvenile court is the intent, the purpose of the entire system. Adult court, it's about two things. It's about punishing people and it's about rehabilitating people. Whereas juvenile court is about one thing and one thing only, and that is the best interest of the child. It's about rehabilitation. It's about getting them services and help so they never find themselves in the adult system, where it's not about helping them, it's often about punishing people. Nobody wants a juvenile allegation to follow a young person around for the rest of their life, right? It makes no sense to have somebody do something at age 15 or 16 and then have that follow them into their adulthood. And so, fortunately, Texas has a lot of options, both for automatically sealing juvenile records, and then also there's things that we can do to further make sure that certain felonies and things like that don't follow our juvenile clients into their adulthood. With our juvenile clients, detention or incarceration is almost never the correct answer. What we see with our juveniles is more a therapy-based approach. We're going to see things like counseling, therapy, things like that that don't disrupt their lives too much, but instead help them work through those problems they have as young adults. The intent of the juvenile probation department is always to make sure that they get the services and the help they need, and then they never have to go or find themselves in adult court. In Texas, the most serious thing that can happen to somebody as a juvenile is to be sent to TJJD. That's the Texas Juvenile Justice Department. It is a series of secure facilities and halfway houses that courts can send the most serious juvenile offenders to. We don't like it at BRCK. We don't want any of our clients ever to have to go there. Our goal with juvenile clients is always to keep them in the home, to have as little disruption in their life and schooling as possible, and get them back on track so we never have to see them in the adult systems. A misconception people sometimes have is that in Texas, 17 is still a juvenile. Texas is one of the states where 17 is actually an adult. So any offenses committed after your 17th birthday, you will not be in the juvenile system. You will be in the adult system with all the adult offenders. The juvenile system in Texas starts, believe it or not, at age 10 and goes until the age of 16. Any criminal allegations between the age of 10 and 16 are going to be handled within the juvenile justice system. But once you hit 17, everything goes to the adult system for the rest of your life.